What's up, everyone? First and foremost, how much better is this sound? I got this cool microphone and I spent a lot of money on it, but from now on you will get nothing but quality sound. I suffered a lot when I made the second to last video, and I said no more, so I invested in a nice microphone, and this is it. So I hope you enjoyed. If you want to buy one like this, I linked it in the description, so so you can see for yourself. But anyways, in the spirit of continuous modification and spending money where I'm not supposed to be spending, I got this Blue Start Button. It's not red like everyone else gets. It's blue. It's blue because I figured it's gonna match the steering wheel, and it's gonna match my car. Don't mind the messy garage, because again, I'm in the middle of renovation. So anyways, this should be nice and easy, so let me show you how to do it. But what I'm doing differently is also I got this chrome bezel that not many people get. I think this chrome bezel will match nicely with this trim here, this dusty trim here. So let's see how it goes. There are plenty of installation videos online, so I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but what a lot of people do is they put protective tape here so they don't damage the body. Then you get this pry tool. You get these on Amazon. I can also link it for you if you're interested, and you should be able to kind of squeeze in and gently, wow, this is actually easier than I thought. Holy moly. Just gently pry it out. Watch me break something now. Dude, this is so easy. All right, then we disconnect it from the back. There are these two little clips that you push in. All right, so, and there's no way you can put it back the wrong way, because it's shaped in a unique way. So let's see if we can do it in the car. Where's my screwdriver? So what we do now is we want to remove this button, and to do that we need to separate the back. So there's a clip here. Okay, so we'll set this aside. Then there are these two clips here. It's kind of hard to see that are holding it, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the new one. So this is what they look like, these clips. So I have to, on the inside, not this, on that, I need to push those guys out. Now, bam, all right, it should fall out. Okay, so they're pretty much identical. I don't think you can screw it up. From the back, they look the same. The new one has this, I guess, what is this? It protects from squeaking, I guess. It's got this tape, so it's not a bad touch. Good job. And then what we do is we simply just slide it in. And it's back on. Reinstalling the back now. Okay. So first thing I notice right away is it's got a bit more resistance. I don't know if I should be taking this tape from around the sides off, but you know what? I'll keep it. Actually, no, it's nice. It's got this, the tape gives it a kind of a more solid feel, so we'll go ahead and keep it. Now the next part is putting this bezel around, and I guess I'm kind of disappointed because I thought I would be replacing this and putting it and replacing it with this actually, but it looks like this is just like putting lipstick on a pig. You put it over, and I don't know, I guess it sort of matches. I might end up taking it off. But this is this hard plastic that could be somehow enhanced, but I'm just gonna go ahead and slap this over it. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of it, but you know what, if that's the only way to do it, let's see, I might live with it. Wow. First world problems. So hold on, let me put it back on. Okay. push it back in and remove the tape. Very nice. Very, very cool. So let's take the sticker off the back. Ow. Okay. Oh, it's really cool. I like it. This completes this quick and easy installation of a Blue Start button. If you want to be unique, go with blue, especially if you have a Yas Marina and the steering wheel. I mean, this really nicely matches. It really nicely matches with that. And I don't think red would go in the car, but blue works very, very well. So this has been a quick how-to video. This was nice and easy. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know how you like the sound, by the way, because I did some testing and I kind of liked it. So let me know what you think. I'm very proud of my purchase, and I hope it serves me well. There's a ton I learned about sound, so let me know what you think. And once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.